Plenty of landscaping software costs well over $100 a month, but several solid options still fit under a $75 monthly budget if you're running a small crew or growing business. By the end of this video, you'll know which landscaping software is worth looking at, what features to expect under this price point, and how to choose the one that actually fits your business. The first thing to understand is that software under $75 a month is usually designed for smaller operations. You can expect scheduling, customer management, estimates, invoicing, and mobile access. Features like advanced reporting, enterprise automation, or complex multi-branch management are usually reserved for higher-priced plans. Jabber is one of the strongest options if your budget is limited. Even its lower-tier plans include quoting, scheduling, invoicing, and client communication in one place. If you're handling residential lawn care, landscaping, or seasonal maintenance, it covers most daily tasks without adding unnecessary complexity. Housecall Pro is another popular choice. Depending on promotions and plan selection, smaller businesses can often start with an entry-level subscription that fits close to this budget. It combines online booking, dispatching, estimates, invoices, and payment collection into one app, making it a good fit if you want office work and field work connected. FieldPulse is another platform worth comparing. Smaller companies often choose it because it includes customer management, work orders, scheduling, and invoicing, while keeping the interface straightforward. As your company grows, additional features can usually be added without switching software. If your landscaping business focuses heavily on recurring maintenance, pay close attention to recurring job scheduling. That feature saves time because weekly or monthly visits can be generated automatically instead of being entered one at a time. Also look for software that lets your crew update job status, upload photos, and collect customer signatures from their phones. Those features reduce paperwork and help you close jobs faster without returning to the office. Before subscribing, compare the number of included users, mobile access, payment processing options, and whether the quoted price requires annual billing. A plan that looks cheaper at first can become more expensive if you need additional users or paid add-ons. The right choice depends less on the brand name and more on how your business operates every day. To sum it up, software under $75 a month can still handle scheduling, estimates, invoicing, and customer management. Compare the included features, check what's included before upgrading, and choose the platform that matches your current team size instead of paying for features you won't use yet. If you found this breakdown helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for more software comparisons, and check out our other buying guides before making your final decision.